Friends, we have with us Dr. K. Rajeshwara Garu. He is additional secretary at Niti Aayog. In fact, I would say that the program took inspiration from him because he is promoting this whole circular economy in multiple areas, be it in fecal waste management or municipal solid waste management or plastic. So this program basically took shape because he provided certain thought process in leadership from the national government level. And I am extremely grateful to him on behalf of ASCII and UNDP and all the innovators here on this panel and all the participant city officials. I am extremely thankful to him and I would like to welcome him to this on this important occasion. So today we have in this group more than 600 city officials at different levels, commissioners and sanitation related officials, and those environmental engineers, and also a lot of stakeholders from financial institutions and development partners. But mostly the data shows that 78% of the audience here, 600 plus people on this webinar, are city officials. And I know that you are passionate about connecting with cities. So I think that is the reason we thought having you is super important for us from all the stakeholders' point of view. Now we started this program by informing everybody. This morning, sir, I did an audit of my own house. Starting from waking up, I have plastic chappals. To switch on the light, to brighten my light, I have a plastic on-off switch. And then I went to the washroom, everything is plastic. My sanitizer is in plastic. The whole life is full of plastics. That's an audit I have presented shamelessly for all the city officials. That's my life on a day-to-day basis. And I told them that my lifestyle, I am going to transfer to them as a problem in a matter of another maybe even less than 6 weeks, because all these products are disposable products. So I'm going to shift my convenience into their waste, into their problems, and they have to solve it. Now, the business as usual will not work. We need a lot of innovations. We need new thinking. Fortunately, we have a good regulation, but we need new thinking. And that's what Mr. Sodhi also reinforced. We need a change in lifestyle. We need repurposing. We need recycling, a combination of factors. So today, sir, what we are trying to do is to, after screening a number of innovators in the country, more than 100, we picked up around 20 of them and trying to connect with the city leaders. And we are calling it as leadership for circular economy in the country. Unless there is leadership at the municipal level for circular economy, the problem is going to get magnified. And hence, we thought of bringing this. They are not theoretical people, sir. They are not a laboratory idea startups. They are actually matured business models. All these 20 people I have seen myself, they're brilliant people. All they need is to connect with the cities, and this platform, we call it as innovation and new knowledge for wash sector. It is like a TED platform for water, sanitation and hygiene, and having your blessing and your support is very, very thankful to you, and it is motivating for us. So with these few words of introduction, Dr. Rajeshwara is not only a policy maker at the national level, he has seen the urban sector from grassroots level as a managing director of a urban services for the poor program, as DMA, as from a health perspective as joint secretary, and he has seen the whole sector in a circular way, in a 360-degree way. So I think he is the best person to inspire us and also leave certain messages for us. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Professor Chariyar. Can you hear us?
Yes, sir, very well.
Okay, so good morning, friends. It's a great occasion again to reconnect to all the innovators, municipal functionaries, and other colleagues who are interested in the circular economy. I compliment ASCII, Professor Chari and the colleagues, and also UNDP for associating with this activity and for instituting a platform, because we need a platform for focusing specific problems in a time-bound manner where the quality and the deliverables are ensured. And it is very interestingly titled as INK at WASH, that is Innovation and New Knowledge for WASH, for promoting innovations in water, sanitation, and hygiene. These innovations are super important in the context of the COVID pandemic. I would like to again compliment UNDP for partnering with ASCI in organizing today's event on promoting circular economy in plastics management, where Niti Aayog is actively associated and also interested to develop a policy framework and also associate with the institutions and also with the innovators. So I am very happy to hear from Professor Chari that the 20 innovators who have field experience and who have not in the theoretical or a laboratory type of activity, and also the connecting with them with the more than 600 city representatives, funding organizations and startups for joining this event. It is perhaps will be it will create a very big impact, I think, over a period of time. From Niti Aayog's perspective, I can say that this is a very relevant and also very timely initiative. Honorable Prime Minister, you all recollect, while delivering his 2019 Independence Day speech, pitched for freedom from single-use plastics and also promote alternatives. And Professor Chari explained what happened in his house since morning, and it is, I think, with every one of us. So we are, I think, shifting the problem to the city managers, and that is the one, I think, as a responsible citizen, we all have to perhaps think, cooperate, and promote how do we manage the problem, because the problem is created by all of us. While briefly going through the compendium, I could see that about over 20 exciting innovations are shared for the benefit of cities and financing partners. But since municipalities have a lot of divergence culturally, geographically, demographically, and also in terms of the income status, so they have to see the relevance and also the utility, and accordingly they can choose the available options. These innovations range from recycling, upcycling, fuel generation from plastics, hybrid bricks, etc. So if the municipalities wants to be innovative, they have advanced technical and scientific leadership. They can also perhaps choose other options also which are available elsewhere also. So municipalities around the world are starting to integrate circular economy into their city operations. At NITI, we firmly believe that Indian cities can become more livable, smarter, and resource efficient by taking the circular economy route, and the digital technologies can aid this process too. So it has to be knowledge-based initiative, and the knowledge is available through various platforms, and ASCII UNDP platform is perhaps one of the best options available to all of our city partners. So NITI has been promoting circular economy in a range of areas: municipal solid waste, e-waste, FSSM, battery waste, etc. We have recently launched a book on leading practice in FSSM, again with ASCII and FSSM Alliance cooperation. And plastic waste is also one of our priority areas. NITI encourages innovative solutions and new business models in all facets of urban development, including plastic waste management. And very interestingly, more than one ministry is involved in the whole activity. Urban development is involved, rural development is involved, Minister of Environment involved, so that it has to be multi-ministerial support to this initiative. We recognize that urban areas in India are grappling with massive generation of plastic waste, as explained earlier, with more than 50% of plastic waste reaching the landfills and water bodies as per CPCB reports. The situation is posing a huge threat to public health and the environment. The implementation is often found suboptimal at city level due to capacity gaps and lack of information to practitioners on innovations and business models in plastic waste management. The information availability, perhaps that is a big deficit, that gap, perhaps which will be bridged, I think, with this initiative. Today's event of ASCII UNDP is a welcome initiative aimed to showcase innovations by startups, entrepreneurs for promoting circular economy in plastics and build capacities of ULBs in adopting innovations, because credible platforms are very important for the city managers to depend and also to try the initiatives. Through NITI, we would be delighted to disseminate these innovative practices to state and city governments for application for achieving the scale. So I wish all the organizers the full success in their endeavors. But one suggestion to those city managers, and please convince your elected representatives and also the community representatives so that they will become active partners to support the options available and also the initiative. Perhaps that is the very durable and sustainable way. And one is information availability. Second is preparing the city management, both elected and non-elected representatives, to choose the options. Third is preparing our workforce. It can be a sanitary supervisor, it can be a municipal engineer or a public health engineer, to become sensitive toward the problem and also to become active partners in the whole activities and also in the whole scenario, so that it will become a collective effort and it will be successful. One word of caution to all entrepreneurs and innovators: let's say municipal systems, they take their own time because of the approval process and other things. You be patient and you explain to them in their own language, depending on the nature and the work culture there, and also the requirements of the city, so that it will become very, very effective and also will be purposeful. So I compliment the Professor Chari and all the organizers who are, because organizing a webinar with 600 people is a huge task. Lot of preparatory work is required, lot of coordination is required. But I'm happy on a Saturday morning, you all spending very usefully and very productively. I thank you for giving this opportunity and I wish you all the success. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Sir, I think a very important message you gave it to us is organize a similar event for elected representatives. We have a good network of mayors and chairpersons of the country. So in a very short manner, 1 hour module or a 2 hour module in a very simple language can also be the next endeavor from our side. I think that's a very useful suggestion you have given us. Thank you very much. Sir, I now request you to virtually launch this book of innovations. I request Vinod to put up the virtual document so that it can go to all the city officials after this event. We are not printing it right now, we are disseminating virtually. So I request Malini and Vinod to help me out with this.
Yeah, so sir, we have put together a very rudimentary curtain. We request you to launch and then we will the document up on the website, sir. It's an open access, everyone can use it. If you can just announce the opening, sir, we will go to the next slide.
Okay, I'm happy to announce the launch of Compendium digitally and electronically, remotely, and I'm sure that this will be helpful to all of you. Thank you very much.
Thank you for being so sporty, sir. Thank you. Next.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So, sir, this book comprises the 20 case studies and the contact implementation details of the case studies which are being presented in detail today, sir. Next slide, please. Next slide. And they will be available on the website. Next slide. Next slide.
And we also have, can we move fast? Yeah. So this is a catalog, sir, of more than 100 innovations in the country.
Okay.
With contact details so that cities can reach out in a very, very simple contact details of all these innovators, what they are doing and where they can be accessed. So that's 2 documents have been launched today.
Next slide. Next slide. Yeah, this is a sample, sir. So it's like a card format and accessible to everyone.
Okay.
For each.
Good.
Thank you. Thank you very much for your messages, sir. We'll carry these messages. We now move to the presentation formats, and on behalf of all the innovators, on behalf of all the organizers, I once again thank you for taking out your time. And if your time permits, I know you are busy today, but if your time permits, you can stay for 1 or 2 sessions so to get a flavor of the interesting ideas that some of these practitioners, innovators have put together. Thank you very much.
So, I will try. Thank you.
Thank you.